Second cop attack and kill within 12-hour span in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A second policeman has been killed within a 12-hour period of the first on Friday, sending further gloom over the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF.
Well, clearly the one this morning, I went to Linstead earlier on, met with the family of that member who was killed. It was very tragic and unfortunate that he died and that he could be killed by a man of unsound mind. It's always a problem that we've been working on with the Ministry of Health to make sure that those people who are who need the medication to stop them from becoming violent get it, but it doesn't always happen. It depends on many things with our partners, but as I say, it was very unfortunate, but I got the chance to speak to the family and the team there and provide some support from the JCF to the family and to the members there who were affected by it.
This killing here, sir, what do you make of this one? What are you picking up so far?
Well, I came down here. It's important we lost a district constable down here. I've been speaking to the head of CID. He is down here also, Mr. Leng. It's early days yet. I don't really want to talk much about this case at this point.
The latest death involved a district constable, Kemar Armstrong, who was attached to the Bands Division. He was shot in central Kingston at about 5:30 p.m. on Friday afternoon and succumbed to his injuries at the Kingston Public Hospital. This was less than 12 hours after Constable Paul Gordon died after being hit on the head with a stone by a man of unsound mind in Linstead, St. Catherine. Constable Gordon died at the Linstead Hospital. District Constable Armstrong was reportedly shot at Emily Lane in Allman Town. The details are not yet clear of how he was attacked and killed, but unconfirmed reports are that the policeman was ambushed by a group of armed men and shot several times. On Friday morning, news broke that Constable Gordon died after an unprovoked attack by a man believed to be of unsound mind. The incident reportedly happened as he walked along King Street in the heart of Linstead. We'll continue to track these two stories and provide you more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.